let's see how to make pancakes. And these are the ingredients. 4 DL milk, 50 gram butter, 3 eggs, 200 gram flour. First, we put 3 eggs. And then we put 50 gram butter, and then we put 4 DL milk, and 200 grams flour. Now I'm gonna mix the ingredients. Now it's done. And now we make the Now it's time to make the pancakes. Now the batter is ready, and now it's ready to make the pancake. I pour it in the pan and do a little bit around so get the shape good. And when you're finished, you wait until it's a little bit good. And when you think it's good, just lift over. If it's not a bit brown, just wait a little bit, wait more. And check again. You see it's perfect. Flip it over and press a bit. And now take the pancake. And now the pancake is ready. And now we can make more. Do the same thing. Take a bit. The excess. Pour around. And then wait for a little while and it's finished. Shake a little bit. Good. Good. Yes. Flip it over. Press. Now you have another pancake. Now the pancake is ready. I'm going to taste one now. This is yummy. We can have banana, chocolate sauce, ice cream, or honey. See, or how you like. See you See you in the next video. Until then, bye.